How do you go about decreasing cost and increasing benefits all at the same time?
Well, we have the luxury of having an exclusive representation of the America's Business Benefit Association, or ABBA. So when the IPA family members are able to go out into the marketplace, they're able to go out into the marketplace representing themselves and the offerings of the America's Business Benefit Association. And those fall into many categories: personal, professional, the health solutions that we've spoke about, many different areas. So depending upon the specific marketplace potential client, if you will, or potential customer, depending on what type of business they're in, depending upon what their business provides, will determine what benefits in ABBA that they can take advantage of that can decrease their cost, while at the same time provide a healthcare solution over here that's specific to them. So if we can save them some money through credit card processing or through some different things that are made available through ABBA, if we decrease their cost over here, then we're able to provide actually lower cost over here on their healthcare solutions. So when you go out into the marketplace, the great thing about the ABBA program is it has so many different benefits. There's 4 different programs that are made available to the consumers in the marketplace. All of them have different levels of benefits within each one. So you can look at the ABBA programs and the ABBA offerings as a consumer and say, I think this is the one that best fits me and my family for what it provides at the price point that it's at. And then you take that and then you're able to digest and dissect those and look at that and say, okay, well, I'll really take advantage of these benefits, and these benefits that will help them save money in their everyday lives. Again, whether it's professional or personal. And when you can save individuals and families money over here in those arenas of their life, and it just translates and transforms back over here into their healthcare solution. And again, as I mentioned earlier, one of the reasons why people are so open to visiting with us is because they're experiencing some type of pain in their current solution. A lot of times that has to do with increasing and escalating costs, sometimes out of control, and they're trying to figure out how to maintain protection for their family, because as we all know, going without any protection is a bad direction to go. So the America's Business Benefit Association and the benefits that it's able to provide allow our IPA family members to work with those clients and really figure out, hey, here's 8 to 10 benefits in the association that can benefit you in all these areas and save you money. So over here, the pain of your investment for a good, comprehensive, solid healthcare solution is not as much as it would be if you hadn't had the membership in the ABBA program.